Is psychology important? Hi guys, and welcome back in today's new video. Today we speak about psychology and why it's important to read books about psychology and how it can help you in the everyday life. When you hear the word psychology, you maybe think that you need years of school, read thousands of books, and have a degree in psychology. But this is not true because you can have basic pieces of information about psychology, simple searching online or reading some books. Probably you are asking yourself why I need psychology. And psychology you can apply on everything in your life. In sales, it's very important. If you are a business owner or if you run your own business, you need some skills to sell something, because if you don't sell nothing, probably your service will not bring you money. And invert think, when someone try to sell you something, you can quickly find if the product is valuable or if not. Psychology it's also important with people, with friends, in your social life in general, because once you can find the right people with the right mindset, it's more easy and the life will become great, because all the problems all we have are around people, if you think. And with this psychology tips, you probably will increase your attention to the people and how they speak, what they tell you to do, and their behavior. In this video, I will give you some books that are I find really good about this topic, on how you can manipulate people in the right way, naturally, and how you can improve your life with psychology. The first book of today is The H Factor or Personality. I am reading right now. I am at the beginning of the book, and it's very interesting because with this book you can easily and perfectly find how people will be in their life, and in some scenario, and you find the hexaco, that's the acronym of personalities. You will discover the personality types, how they works, the mixes about personality types, the levels, and other thing about personalities. It's really good. The second book, I don't have it here, but it's How to Make Friends and Influence People. You can easily find the link in the description about all the books. This is literally a great manual for trade people, because if you maybe ask something to someone, you don't know how to ask, or maybe you ask it in the wrong way. This book teaches you to approach others, speak, make friends, everything in the right way. The third book is this one, the definitive book of the body language, because as you know, the body language is a basic part of psychology, and in your work you will get great advantages if you know the body language and how your customer will approach you, and their reaction at your offer or at your product. So learning psychology it's important for a lot of reasons. As I said before, the social part. Then in sales, also if you run an online business, you need to have skills about psychology and selling online, how people react to certain phrases, certain images, and your abilities with psychology and how to find the right people will becomes better during the time, because at the beginning when I had read the first book about psychology I was very confused, but with a lot of books, some courses, and some real life experience. Now it's more easy to me to find the right people, and if someone tell me something, I can understand better what they say. Maybe I say one simple phrases, but in background there is another definition of these the words. With psychology, you can find the hidden message between the words. I hope you find interesting this video. These are not, I cannot give you exact tips because I don't know you, and everybody is different. So I advise you to read these 3 books, and maybe if you have other books, or if you can discover more books about the topic, it's great. But as I said before, I can't give you an exact tip on how to you can proceed in your life with psychology. But try reading these books, and let me know in the comment if you find interesting, and most importantly, if you are growing during the time. Because if I watch back 1 year ago, I didn't know nothing about online business, sales, and now I'm running my online business. I'm trying to sell to more people. Yesterday I closed my first client with the social media marketing. I am very happy. So try this and let me know your results. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.